All right, so let's try and remove this cord. Uh, and it's going to be a bit of a challenge, and we need to select the right tools to do this. We can have it on healing tool, or we can try the cloning tool. And I'm going to do this with path. So let's try we can try the healing tool first. It might not work, but we can try it. And I'm going to click on the path there. And I'm just going to do the entire chord and just click around it. I could do this part first and then the second part later, but we are going to try and just do it with one mask here. Whoops. Yeah, let's see. There. Let's just hit that. And as you can see, we are doing a healing here, and it doesn't work perfectly. You can see the result yourself. But we can use the clone tool to try and fix that. And yeah, we can also go and change this a little bit. So something like this. And it actually doesn't look bad. So let's stay with that. So let's just see what we did now. So we removed that chord, and the image right away, it looks quite like an improvement, because or more professional in my opinion. This chord there, it's really ruining the image. Right away I'm focusing on this chord, so that's the reason why I want to remove it. Just gonna try and remove most disturbances we can. So that's the reason why we are doing it like this. So let's activate the retouch again, and we can try and clone and fix it with the clone tool. So let's do that. So I'm going to activate the cloning tool here, and we are going to use a brush, and we are probably going to use more than one brush. So we are holding down the control key while clicking on the brush tool, and this gives this little thing here. And to set the size, you simply scroll with your mouse wheel, but to set the hardness, the feathering, you hold down the shift key as you scroll with your mouse wheel. And I think for this image, maybe a feather, a nice and not hard edge would do well for this image. So I think we need to fix some stuff over here. So I'm going to source about around here. So I'm holding down the shift key and I'm doing one single click. Now we have the source point over here, and I'm simply going to start and paint that in like this. And it might look terrible. We will see now. Yeah, and that's to me that's fixed. And I want to get rid of this. Oops, yeah, that worked fine. And this one, and you can see that we weren't too, that source wasn't too good for that detail. So we are going to do a new source point and try and just fix that so it looks a bit better. And let's do a source point up here. And it's never gonna be 100% perfect, but you can really improve the image with the clone tool. The clone tool is actually quite nice inside Darktable, and the healing tool as well. It's really, yeah, it's really good. If I compare to other tools like maybe Luminar, it's then it's really good. We have a lot of options here, so they've done a really good job with this one. Okay, so we can add, for example, a new path and try the healing tool again and go around this pole So we go up to around here and simply click around it, and to maybe down there, and do a right click, and we can move the source around like that. And to me that looks good. Let's see, how was that again? Yeah, like that. So yeah, it looks pretty good actually. I'm happy about